we're gonna tell you about Cutie marks. Where's yours? Okay. Do you want to open it now? Right here.
You see the line?
From high above, do you want it like from high so we can like... Okay. Like the bottom. Okay. From there, and then wait. The string, it's right over here. You just pull it, and I'm sure there's gonna be confetti. Woo! Yay! Confetti everywhere. Oh, confetti! Confetti! There's still more. I'm gonna stake it.
Confetti!
Okay, there's literally so much confetti right now.
Okay, and now let's start to open the egg. I wonder
I
what...
still have more confetti.
Oh.
Okay. Here are the characters we can get, Mischa. Here. Which one do you think we'll get?
I think I'll get Applejack.
I have no idea. There's so much in the floor. Oh, I got Fluttershy with glittery hair. Oh, this is awesome. Whatever this is.
The
Is it
house?
for her hair? Okay, and I think that's like for that. To stand up. There. Glittery. And this is her house, I think. A little house.
Oh.
And
God.
I got the sparkly hair. Fluttershy. It's sparkly hair. What'd you get? Oops. Sit down there.
You got her.
Oh, you got Minty. That's cool. You got Minty. So cute. So these are the rest we have. Pretty a lot. Yeah, this. Minty. This and this are the same.
So I got Minty with the mini